Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and I decided to film outdoors today, but I'm coming to you with this video for the Stitchy Carousel package swap. I just want to let everybody know that is in the swap that the box has been sent off today, which is February 1st, 2018, and it is on its way to the first person. So the first person is Christine, who is Special Crafts and More on YouTube, so please go check her out and subscribe to her if you haven't already done so that you will be able to see her video of the unboxing when she gets her package. And here's my receipt. So I have mailed it, and expected delivery is Monday. So Monday, Christine, you should have your package. Please, as always, this is for everybody, please, when you get your package, make sure to do your video and to mail your package back out the next day by priority mail. The reason for the priority mail only is because we have 15 people in this swap, and I am allowing 3 days plus the 3 days travel, and the 1 day to ship is 4 days for each person. So that is why we need to really get this package through, so that this swap does not go on for a long period of time. And yes, just please make sure to send me the tracking number, and I think that is good. We're on our way. So yeah, please check out Christine at Special Crafts and More, and I want to let everybody know that it's okay at the when you're getting ready to send your package, if you want to say who you're sending it to, that is fine. You may do so and give their YouTube name as well. Okay, I will talk to you guys soon with another update. Have a great day.